it's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. As you guys know, on this channel, I do it all, but nursing is my thing. If you like DIY, shop with me, fitness, lifestyle, nursing, or all the above, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so you won't miss another video. And today, we are gonna be doing an organization video. Here's my little haul of everything I've gotten. I probably got more than what I actually need, but it's definitely gonna be trial and error. I have some wipes to wipe down the refrigerator. Thor, we have him, yes. All right, and let's get into how I'm gonna organize all this. I'm so excited. And we have a clean refrigerator, and we're ready to start from scratch. I have everything on the counter now. I didn't get it before because I was not planning on getting a new refrigerator, you guys. I actually got it on sale. Our old refrigerator was leaking, so we were in the process of getting a new refrigerator, but it was definitely not planned like right now when we got it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with this bottle dispenser here. This I could put my fruit and veggies in. This is harder than I thought. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and wash, I don't know y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these down to see where I go and what I have, and try to put things in there as I go to make sure it makes sense. Maybe I can look to see, get ideas of what I'm supposed to put in here. I have these here to hold like the wine and stuff. I don't really drink soda, so I don't really use cans a lot, but this is cute. I promise, all right. Really just gonna try this to hold my wine. See how that works. And then they have it where you can put more than one piece in there. So you can make it as big or small as you want, and it holds sodas. I like this. Now we're gonna try to get this little side pocket here. Here, of course, we have the basics, water and ice. I like this feature on it. Here I have my cheeses, my easy to grab things, and you just press this button. It's easy to grab, butter, everything right there. But let's get into the refrigerator. You also can see it from this view. We have a problem. I have no groceries, that's the problem. But this is so you can get an idea of what it would look like. So here, I have the water bottles, my wine. I will have some kind of tea or something in there. Milk, keep my eggs. I always buy these little juices from Sam's. I have my kiwi leftovers. Fruit and veggies will go in here. Snacks, easy to grab here. We keep the vegetables in here, salad, kale. More veggies in here. Open meat already in there. Mostly use condiments right here, which I still have a lot of room to grow. So I don't know if you can get an accurate picture or not, but this is what it will be looking like, pretty much. I hope that helps. Sorry. The reason there isn't much groceries is because it's just me right now. My husband is deployed, so I don't need that much. I'd already bought the bins and everything to accommodate once he comes back and we have a full refrigerator. So I didn't want to go grocery shopping just to do this video and all those groceries go to waste because it's just me. I do like using these bins because you can put whatever in here and it doesn't get the actual refrigerator dirty, and you can just wash these bins. It makes it easier for cleaning. So that's why I like to use the bins, and it also holds everything together and keep it organized, even if you have children or, you know, that just like can easily grab it out without making a whole mess. I also like using the bins. You can actually see what you have in your refrigerator so things won't go bad. All in all, it makes it look better in the aesthetics. Here's the before. Put this bin in here, and I can put here we go. After I have my veggies up here. I keep my fruit on this side, fish, beef, and chicken. It's mainly what we eat. We don't eat pork. And now you can see everything and won't forget about stuff. I like it. I hope this video helped you guys. Sorry I couldn't get the full look with the full grocery. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.